Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today my daughter and I stopped by Bath & Body Works and we found this adorable candle holder at Bath & Body Works, but it was $34.95. So we didn't want to spend that much, so we got to thinking maybe we could go to Dollar Tree and try to find some things and recreate it for a lot cheaper. I will insert a picture of the candle holder from Bath & Body Works for you on the top right corner. I already had these leaves, and in the candle holder from Bath & Body Works it had some pretty leaves. So I bought these last year at the end of the season at Hobby Lobby, but I think they have them this year too in a few different colors. So we've got leaves, we've got a glass bowl from Dollar Tree, we've got the little glass plates, and then of course I found a lot of extras, but I can think of a lot of DIYs to do with these too, so I'm going to show you what we came up with. This is a lid that I had left over from a canister. I used the canister to make a floral arrangement, and this was the lid that was on it, so I'm going to use this for my base first. So I'm just going to put this down, and then I have two different colors of the fall leaves from Hobby Lobby, so we'll place those next. And then I'm just going to take one of the Dollar Tree glass bowls, cover them up. Now you're going to want to add some E6000 and some Gorilla Glue hot glue to the top of your bowl before you place your little glass plate from Dollar Tree on top. Let it all have time to dry for 24 hours, and then you're ready to place your Bath & Body Works candle on top. Okay guys, so here's how the first candle holder looks. Sorry, you can see the lights reflecting in it. Okay, so we're going to show you another option. Okay, the next one, this is a 12.5 ounce glass from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put some pretty fall leaves in it, also from Dollar Tree. Okay, and then you're going to flip it over, and then add some of your E6000 and your hot glue and let it dry for 24 hours. Then you're going to put your plate on it, and then you're ready for your Bath & Body Works candle. Then here's how option number 2 looks. Okay, and we have another option to show you. My last option, I'm using the canister lid, and I'm going to place a pine cone in the center, and this I don't know, base filler, bowl filler came from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just going to take some pine cones and put around it. I may have too many because I'm going to try to put this 12.5 ounce glass over it. Now if you can find a bigger glass, that would probably work better, but this is all. We went to 2 different Dollar Trees and this is the best we could find. So we're going to see if we can fit it all in there. Fit almost all of it. So that looks really pretty. Okay, so same steps. You're going to want to add your E6000 and your hot glue, then place your plate on it and let it dry for 24 hours before you add your Bath & Body Works candle. Okay, and here's option number 3, which is my favorite and probably the closest to resembling the one for $35 at Bath & Body Works. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment, and let me know what your favorite fall scented candle is.